Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, tarot reader and psychic medium. Capricorn, we're going to go with another track from the same artist, Capricorn Industry. We sang Britney Spears for Cancer, the mother, you are the father. And we're going to go, I don't know what's happening with Britney Spears. I'm getting her. Britney Spears. It's Britney, bitch. Okay, my internet is not loading. What is happening? Follow why? Okay. Follow why? 12 hours ago, friends concerned as Britney Spears rekindles relationship with musician son Jaden. Britney Spears reunites with her son after kids moved in with dad. Yeah, I hope the dad's enjoying the money Britney Spears funding him to raise her fucking kids. Dirty fuckers. Here's your channel song. Dirty fuckers. We will never forget what you did, Britney. Never! Roger Bell Canada really embarrassed. Anthony Miller, embarrassed until I couldn't even stand up properly. I have to bend over. Please hold while we process your song. Roger, stop it right. No, Bell. I don't know who the fuck to blame no more. What the fuck is that? What the embarrassment? Look how the show stop. Oh, fuck. Imagine if I was going on live. This is why we can't. You see why we can't go live? My internet sucks. I don't feel bad to say it. That's why we can't go live. Jesus Christ. Roger Bell. Canada. Yeah, man, you know, what is me take out my money and pay on one time, you know? Can you see this? This look like someone that embarrass you. Wait, I'm waiting, Bell. This is why I don't go live. You know, easy it would be for me to go live. Oh my God. But I cannot because the internet keep embarrassing me. See? I start to blood clots. So why am I starting? I don't know. God, Janu. Me no know when them kill you for. Me no know when them kill you for. Janu. Bell. No, they want this. Britney! You tell me you're in love with me. Like you can take your pretty eyes away from me. It's not that I don't wanna stay, but every time you come too close, I move away. I wanna believe in everything that you say, because it sounds so good. But if you really want me to move slow, there's things about me you just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. Baby, all I need is time. Okay, great. Thank you for answering our prayers, Belle. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your career reading. Capricorn, the devil. So Cancer wanted to know, every time I try to fight, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. Guess I need you, baby. Capricorn, the daddy. No, you are telling, you tell me you're in love with me. Let's go ahead and go into your career reading. Maybe this may be love. Nevertheless, Britney Spears is topping our charts 2 times, so we're okay with that. What is your focus, Capricorn? The 5 of Swords. So I'm getting your focus is basically trying to stir up anxiety and anger in people. I'm getting you're the aggressor, Capricorn, or me getting you stand up for somebody. Because a lot of people are coming. Me getting a lot of people are come for somebody, and you're like, wait, no, you ain't about to do this right here. I'm here to check you on behalf of my friend, right? Me getting you stand up for somebody. Or your focus is no shit talking in the office. No rumors being spread, no gossiping, nothing like that. Cause me getting every minute somebody in an argument with each other because of what was said. What's your advice? The devil, yeah. So me getting all on argue with each other because of what was said, what was passed around, or who was passed around. Now this could also be, this is your competition. You want to make it to the industry, you have to beat everybody. Yeah, you want to be on, you want to get put on, you want to be a part of industry. Me getting, everybody want to be part of industry. What makes you special? I'm getting you going to have to fight all these people to be that. Whether you're going to have to fight them physically, mentally, and after you fight the people who are in your way competing against you, you're going to have to fight the devil. The same man you made the contract with, who put the people in front of you for you to fight. You're going to have to fight him. So your focus is, me getting your... No, me don't know. I'm kind of getting that the job that you do, you work for the devil. Like, you know, Sexy Red, she's in the song, was it hard? Something hard, booty hole black or booty hole brown or something like that. Yeah. Me getting the more you can talk shit, like weird shit like that. Me getting at the better. Me getting your job is to be the devil. Your job is to make people feel antsy, make people feel attacked, make people feel judged. That's your job. Or me getting you need to use people demons against them. That's what you need to do. What's your mentorship? The Page of Wands. So me getting your mentor died. Your mentor was a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Your mentor died. Or me getting ever since your mentor dead, you become a fucking demon. Maybe your mentor was the only one who kept the demons in check. Me getting they passed away. And ever since then, it's like you feel like this beast will get released, what don't have, like nobody has control over you. What's your sign that you're on the right path? The King of Pentacles, a lot of money though. Capricorn, this is you. This is really your reading, Capricorn. I'm getting a lot of money. I'm getting the only person who really understood you and who understood you being a demon and was accepting of that. And is your parents accepting of your LGBTQAI lifestyle? Excuse me? Right? I'm getting that maybe the mentor was the only person who was accepting of them lifestyle. Or they could say, you know, I do this for a living, I did this, and the mentor was like, okay, that's okay, I won't judge you. I'm getting somebody passed away, and that's very heartbreaking for you right now. And what's your outcome? I'm getting you're going to give them a very nice funeral though. You're going to give them a proper burial. Your outcome is a Page of Swords, and I'm getting it will be televised. So I'm getting this, maybe somebody to teach you of a fight. Maybe you're a fighter, somebody to teach you of a fight. The person who used to teach you of a fight, we're getting them passed away. I'm kind of getting an Asian man. I don't, if you did karate, if you ever did martial arts karate, I'm getting something about an Asian instructor. I'm getting him going pass away. I hear Muay Thai. But I'm getting the man taught you a lot. He taught you everything you know. So I'm getting you're already setting your career already, you have money. But I'm getting right now in your life, you're basically a menace to society since your mentor died. And I'm getting your mentor was the only person who could really put your demons under control. But I'm getting, even though you are demon-like, in honor of the name of your mentor, I'm getting you have your demons under wrap. You can be King of Pentacles at one point and the Devil card another, okay? We have Scorpio, yeah, the Death card. We have Vision. We have maybe friends, maybe more. We have 1111. We have the Sun card. Yes, someone was like a father to you, and we have cleanse your space. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, Capricorn. Bye.